Hi everyone, it's Tara with Secret Bee Studio, and I'm here to give you a walkthrough of this adorable treat bag mini album that I just made featuring the Simple Stories Happy Haunting paper collection. First, I made the treat bag part of this mini, and I used some heavyweight cardstock covered in the patterned paper. The box measures 5.5 inches square by 2.5 inches thick, and then I just simply added a ribbon wrapped wire handle. Then for the mini album, I used the same heavyweight cardstock as backgrounds for the 2x2, 3x4, and 4x6 journaling cards of the collection. You can see how many pages I made with this adorable collection. I love the colors and I love the sentiments and all of the embellishments, so I had to make a lot of pages. I like to start out my minis with a little journaling page like this one here, so you can always write in the date and some details of the event. This page features a frame that you can just slip a picture into, and then you can see I just added some of those 2x2, 4x4, and 4x6 journaling cards. This page, I made a pocket and then added an insert using some of the 4x6 journaling cards and lots of the patterned paper. I used lots of dimensional adhesive for this mini album behind all of the embellishments so that they would pop up off the page, so it's easier to slip a picture or memento behind them. Here's another smaller pocket page featuring a pull-out card. On this page, I created a larger gusseted pocket that fits 4x4 journaling cards. I have 3 in here now, but this pocket is large enough to fit more, or you could even stuff it full of photographs. This page features a magnetic flap that opens up to reveal another pocket that holds a cute tag-shaped card with more room for journaling or photos. To finish the mini album, I simply punched holes in one corner of each card and then added a metal ring to keep everything attached. That's it. That's another mini album featuring the adorable Simple Stories Happy Haunting collection. Hope you all enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.